All right, guys, we have a great song today for all of you Aussies out there. This is Peter Allen, and it's The More I See You, 1976. Look it up on YouTube, and you can hear this performance that I'm transcribing for this lesson. Let's take a listen to it today. And so forth. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn. Welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. All of the lessons for this, as well as many thousands of other lessons that I've done over the past 12 years, are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works on all your phones, your tablets, whatever you want to learn on. And I even have beginner lessons on there. If you're a complete beginner or need a refresher course or just need to get used to my method, I have 79 beginner lessons take you from square one. But anyway, let's get started here. Check me out on Facebook if you like. Just do a Facebook search for webpianoteacher.com. Well, great a couple of days here. Great weekend for all of you Australians. Got a great Peter Allen song here, as well as I Still Call Australia Home. I'm going to do that one as well, so look forward to that. We're going to start with F, B, D on the right hand. Left hand with a G octave. Then we're going to move inward. The right hand will go to F, C, left hand to A octave. So it's count 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are pickup notes. 1, 2, 3, count 4. It's just F and B, left hand on a B octave. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get to a C major 7 chord. Left hand moves up even more to the C octave. Right hand will have G, B, E, G. If you can't play all 4 notes, just leave the bottom one out. But we have... So after you hit that C major 7 chord, we're going to go G, E with 1, 5, then a D, then a C. Bum, bum, bum. And then we hit this. A natural, E flat, G. Now that doesn't go with that chord, right? Because it's anticipating what's coming up. The A half diminished chord. So it just happens early. You need to change your pedal right there instead of here. Okay, so it's 1, 2. As you're holding that half diminished chord, the left hand will do a C octave and then move up in the right hand till E flat, G and C, 1, 2, 5. The left hand C will come right in the middle of that, and then we'll have E flat A. So right, left, right. Same thing here. That is a G chord, A and D with 2 and 5, flip to B, the third finger like that. Change your pedal there, because then the left hand G comes in after that. Okay? So from the very beginning, 1. So G, and then you have a D that I hear clearly in the right hand. Now this, for those of you who have a big hand, you can do that with just your left. But if you don't, your right hand can help out. Just bring it down. Since the right hand isn't doing anything, we'll go D first in the left hand, and then F and A, like that, the 10th. And then the next one's a B to a low E and a G sharp. So if I start there, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1. Da 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 da. D, D sharp, E, G, A, G. I'll go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. Now if you're finding this too difficult, it may just mean you need some more practice. May mean you need to go slower, or it may mean you just need some beginner lessons. So I would try some of the easier lessons I have on my website first before you tackle something that may be a little bit out of your league to start with. So here we go from the beginning. 1. Then the next chord, I'll go ahead and tell you what it'll be. C, E, G, B on the right, left hand on an A octave. That's called an A minor 9 because there's your A minor. G makes it a 7th, and then the added B makes it a 9 chord. Minor 9, A minor 9. So there we go. There's your part 1. Hope you guys enjoyed that thoroughly. And we'll finish it on the website as well as I still call Australia home. Talk to you guys later.